Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to remove or recover a chat within Microsoft Teams. We will cover this process in just a few minutes, ensuring you are fully prepared to manage your conversations with ease. To begin, log into your Microsoft Teams account. You can use the desktop application or access the platform via your web browser. When prompted, provide your login credentials, including your email address and password, to enter your workspace. Once logged in, you are ready to organize your messages. Next, locate the specific message you wish to remove. Head to the chat area and find the relevant conversation. After opening the chat, place your cursor over the message you want to delete. You will see a small icon with 3 dots appear on the right side. This is the More Options menu. Click on these dots to open a list of actions. From the menu, select the Delete option. Your message will be removed instantly, which is perfect for correcting mistakes or decluttering your chat history. If you accidentally delete a message, Microsoft Teams provides a quick way to bring it back. Immediately after the deletion, an Undo button will appear in the chat window. Be sure to act fast, as this recovery option is only available for a short duration. Simply click Undo, and your message will reappear as if it never left. This feature is incredibly helpful for those moments when you remove something by mistake. That covers the basics of deleting and restoring messages in Microsoft Teams. These steps will help you maintain a tidy workspace and keep your discussions current. Just remember that the window to reverse a deletion is brief, so stay focused. I hope this guide has increased your confidence in using the platform. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with colleagues. Thank you for watching and enjoy your organized chatting.